If you really think organizing and cleaning a home is not that difficult, it's mostly the clutter we create by not being disciplined, like picking up things without making an effort for them to go back to their original places, is where the biggest problem lies. That's why cleaning a home feels overwhelming and endless. Developing a few micro habits is something worth putting your effort in. It doesn't sound easy, but once you're able to put it together in place, it would completely turn around the way you think about cleaning and organizing your home.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about few micro habits which go a long way in keeping your home clean and organized. And as a result, you will get enough time to pursue your hobbies. So let's get started.
Make your bed as soon as you get up every morning. This practice, I don't know for how many years I have been following, and it really makes a huge difference. Gives positive energy to do the rest of the work peacefully. Make the room look clean, you are more likely to keep it that way. The freshly made bed also gives you the reminder not to keep anything on the bed. Otherwise, all the extra clothes for laundry just comes right on the bed. Now, I wanted to give you a tip as it's winter and this time of the year it's quite chilly in north. So, I always use a woolen bed sheet and woolen pillow covers. Now, to protect yourself from cold, just tuck one side of the blanket like this in the bed. This way, it always stays in place. You just need to flip it one time and your bed is ready in no time. Tuck the bed sheets from both the sides, keep the pillows, and you're done. I schedule power hours into my day to avoid procrastination. This is a life hack, and you may get many lessons on it about how you should focus on the power hours. Power hours is that time of the day when you are most active. And I have also realized that most of the work I finish during the morning time between 9 to 12. I am most active to do all my housework, manage my son's school, and sometimes I finish the task which I might have planned for long but didn't do. All in all, I finish more things I planned for. When I utilize my time in this way efficiently, I can focus on other things as well. Identify your power hours when you are not looking to rest and rather focus on completing the work. When you do your work in this way, you may find extra time to focus on other things like spending quality time with your loved ones, exploring your hobbies. You can also find time to start learning something new, like I, for a very long time, wanted to learn about photography to improve the quality of content I post here, the pictures I post on Instagram. So, I really enjoyed this photography class named Fundamental of DSLR Photography by Justin Bridges on Skillshare. I took the class with full attention and I have properly taken all the notes. I never thought that clicking pictures could also be fun. I always set my camera in one mode and click the pictures. I never thought of changing the angle of the picture to get a better one. But this class really helped me a lot. I have also started taking video editing classes, iMovies, the complete class by Colin Marks on Skillshare. So guys, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of online classes. This is a community where you can learn from industry leaders and experts. And you can also explore classes like cooking, gardening, art, photography, and many more. You can see many Indian creators like Ekta Chaudhary, Ritika Shredhar, and many more. This is an amazing platform to learn new things, and since it's specifically curated for learning, there are no ads, which means there is no way for distraction when you're learning your new skills.
Aperture is depth of field. And let's do it in layman's terms. Depth of field is basically how blurry the picture ends up being beyond.
Skillshare's annual subscription is even less than 2000 rupees per year, which is roughly 166 rupees per month, which if you think is even less than ordering food once from outside. By this, you will get unlimited access to the entire library of classes on Skillshare. So there's a surprise for you guys. I'm sharing a custom link in the description box below. First 1,000 people to join Skillshare with that link will get 1 month free trial.
When it's messy in the house, you may feel overwhelmed, helpless, and you might not know where to start. Go and set a timer for yourself. Set aside 15 minutes every day just for cleaning the home. It should include keeping things back to the places, arranging the rooms, and dusting. This rule really helps us a lot. As I always say, everyday cleaning is a key to a clean and tidy home. This habit really helps a lot in keeping your home tidy on daily basis. No matter what you're doing, just spare 15 minutes for basic cleaning at home and help yourself feeling better throughout the day. I hate laundry. But still, this job also needs a lot of attention because the pile of laundry is even worse. Earlier, I used to do laundry 3 times a week, almost every alternate day. But during this COVID time, when the top layer needs to be cleaned properly, I also switched myself to do one load of laundry daily. Now, this keeps me sorted. In the morning, after making the bed, this is mostly my first job of the day to put clothes in the washing machine for cleaning. Hanging them on rod for drying and getting clothes back in the evening is more my husband's and son's job. There should be no shame in asking for help from the family because small thing really makes job easy and day sorted. Small spillages here and there throughout the day happens, especially in the home where there are kids. Whenever you see any spillage, just wipe it down using wet cloth. For those tough and dirty spills, use disinfectant spray. Spray it on the spill and clean it. Keep a mop to clean the spillages from the floor. Sometimes, if we don't attend to these spills, and later when we see the spill becomes dry and hard to clean, especially in kitchen. Before regular mopping, just spray some disinfectant or simply use a wet cloth over the spill to loosen it up. Now, very easily during the mopping, this can be cleared in from the floor. To maintain a clean home, good quality cleaning products are also important. Certain cleaning gadgets can just make your life easier and save you time when you need to clean your house quickly. For instance, if you want to clean the sliding doors which have such a narrow space and are very hard to reach, just use a vacuum cleaner to clean it. For sweeping also, you can invest in a vacuum cleaner. You can either go for a cord vacuum cleaner or a cordless, which is easy to move around the house to clean it. In COVID times, the floor spray mops are just perfect. If someone has just come in from outside and you want to clean the area, just use the mop to spray the disinfectant and clean that area. These pent up standing mops are perfect for everyday cleaning. Gadgets can cost a little money, but you can save so much time in cleaning your home. Invest in those gadgets only which are actually going to be helpful for you. For instance, the cord vacuum cleaner has more suction power, hence are best to use around, especially for cleaning the sofa. Whereas on other hand, cordless vacuum cleaner has their own advantage, has limited suction power but good for everyday cleaning around the home. Have a routine for cleaning the bathroom once a week. Mostly the area near the wash basin gets dirty as we use it quite often throughout the day. Keep a cloth under the basin and clean it, the taps and the tiles on the wall. Deep clean the bathroom weekly for sure, but on daily basis, maintain a basic cleaning of bathroom routine by cleaning vanity. As we have this dresser in the bathroom, I like to clean the top by a wet cloth in the morning. After taking the shower, I wipe down the floors, clean the mirrors, and don't forget to clean the soap dispensers. Cleaning as you go is one of the easiest ways to have a clean home. It's not about spending hours in cleaning after doing some work. Like for instance, if you're doing your craft work or you're just blow drying your hair, just keep all the stuff back to the place once you're done. It will hardly take extra 30 seconds to clean up. Ask your kids to wind up their work area after finishing the online classes. After chopping, don't wait for too much. Just throw the peel into the garbage. Clean dishes after cooking. Put all the things back to their places. Doing the right things at right time really helps your home from getting messy or dirty. There are certain things at home for which it's important to find a proper place to put. Like for instance, the bags which we get from the grocery store. Instead of just keeping a few in drawers, some over the fridge and some here and there, just assign a proper place for such things like a basket or so. Keep them sorted for the time when you actually need them. I just simply fold them and keep them in this bamboo basket, and for everyone in the family to access it, I kept it beside the fridge all sorted at one place. Grocery items which you brought in from outside. Properly assign a place for it to get sanitized instead of just keeping it here and there. I always keep a basket on the washing machine to collect all the items which can't be cleaned with soap. So keep them here for sanitization. The final tip for keeping your home clean and tidy is to always spend good 5 to 10 minutes before bed to clean certain things. This will help you keep your house clean and you wake up to a clean home. Before bed, you always make sure that the home is locked, lights are closed, geysers are off, and all the doors and windows are closed. In the same way, just make a habit of going through your home at night. And if you find anything which needs to be put in its place, just do it. Clean the kitchen at night, keep the dishes for cleaning either in the sink or in the dishwasher. It will eventually save your time for the next phase. And who doesn't want to wake up in a clean home with less work to do? Keeping your home clean can easily turn into a humongous task if you don't stay at top of the small things every day. I am also trying every day to become better in keeping my home clean, tidy, and organized. I have shared with you all how I am managing to keep it clean.
So this is all for today's video, and I really hope you guys find these habits useful in keeping your home clean and organized on daily basis. If you like today's video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.